Gordon. I'm part of the ECMWF Summer Weather Code, doing the air quality classification project. As this project classifies openly available air quality datasets into reliable and non-reliable datasets based on chosen criteria. It specializes in classifying openAQ datasets and identifying outliers. The openAQ dataset is a newly available air quality dataset that has the potential to inform ECMWF's CAMS predictions and analysis. The air quality stations are classified into reliable and non-reliable and then presented on an interface. The software enhances openAQ's datasets, removing outliers for further analysis. What I've gained from this project is an overview of openAQ's dataset and its potential, very experienced mentorship from ECMWF's CAMS team, which has been really helpful, an understanding of the potential errors in the openAQ dataset, the trends in these air quality datasets, and what are the requirements of taking this air quality dataset and using it for further analysis. Thanks very much.